Wait. Wow. Let's make it. Yes. All of Us Are Dead is a new Korean web series on Netflix which is very popular, at least in India. It's running at #1. If you haven't watched it, go and watch it if you are a lover of sci-fi movies or zombie movies. It's a web series and I must say it has been made with tremendous efforts. It has everything. It has emotion, it has drama, it has suspense, it has horror. So I totally enjoy this, and while watching I found out this title in the trailer. I just loved this motion graphic. Though this doesn't have that much of motions, but I try to make it something like this. You can download this pack absolutely free for limited time from the link in the description section below. And after downloading, use it for your videos, for any purpose, for YouTube videos or for any other purpose. And if you do enjoy this or liked it, please don't forget to leave the review on my website. That would really help me out. So without further ado, let's get started. After downloading it, you will get a zip file something like this. Just extract it using any unzip software like WinRR or 7zip. And thereafter you will get some files like this. So these are 4 title presets and 1 text document. Inside it you will find the link of the font which has been used in this project. You can use any other font as well, but if you want to get the similar look, just install this font. And now let me show you how to install all of these 4 Moget presets. If you already know, you can skip this part, but now let me show you. If you have the previous version of the Premiere Pro like earlier than 2020, then just come down on the bottom on the Essential Graphics panel, and if it is not shown, go to the Windows and select the Essential Graphics, and that way this would be visible right over here. Just come down on the plus icon, click on this and browse the downloaded files. Just select that and press open, and that way those would be available over here. Now let me show you the second way. If you are using the latest version, then you can simply just drag and drop over this panel on the Essential Graphics, and that way that would be available. Now let me show you the third way. Just go to the Essential Graphics and click on this hamburger menu and click on the manage additional folders, and this would open up this panel. And from here you need to click on, you might not see all of these options because I have so many packs, so that's why they are. Just click on the add and browse the downloaded folder. So in this case this one, and inside it you won't see anything because we are selecting the folder. So we need to select the folder. You won't find any file inside it. So just select the select folder and then press OK. And thereafter all of these presets would be available right over here or inside the Essential Graphics panel. And now let me show you how you can use them. So select any of these like this one and just drag it over your timeline or over your videos or over your clips. And now you will see, let's play it and see the preview. Alright, so this is how it looks. Make sure you lower down the resolution because this is a little heavy if your system is not that great. So let me show you from the beginning. So this animation comes and then this animation goes out. Okay, now let me show you how to customize this. Select this motion graphics first and then go to the Essential Graphics once again, and in this time instead of browse, select the edit, and inside it you will have the text one. So change the text one from here. You can change this text to anything you like. So let's say Most of Us, and you can see it has been updated, but this is overwritten over here, but don't worry, we can fix it with the position later on. And from here you can change its font. I have used the Bebas Neo font, which is my favorite font, so this gives you the exact look. And then you can change whether you want it to be light, thin, bold, so you can choose any of that. So let me make it a little larger. so it would be updated right over there. So you can just be creative with anything you want, so you can fully customize it. All right, and then we have all other regular text options: bold, italic, all caps, small caps. Similarly, you have some other options, so you can use adjust its position, anchor points and everything. So let me show you. Use its position, so you can drag it anywhere. X position is horizontal position and Y position is the vertical position. Okay, so we have both the options, so you can drag it horizontally or vertically anywhere. And then we have the rotation option as well. By default is 0 degree, and you can scale it down, scale it up from here. And now if you come down, we have the text 2. So text 2 is the next, so you can change it to anything you like. All right, and now let's adjust its position because it is overwritten. So let's come down on the position. So inside this we can adjust the X position, so we can drag it to the right side to adjust wherever we like it. And then we have the option to change this font color. So at this moment it's red, so you can click on this or click on the eyedropper and click anywhere to select that color. So maybe this dark one, or if you click on this palette, you can choose any other color which you like. So let's say in this case orange. Okay, isn't that great? Now again, you have the rotation option as well. All of these options are available in every of this preset. Okay, so we can make it italic or we can make it straight. Now we have one more option right over here. So blurred scratch color, so we can change the blurred scratch color. So what is blurred scratch? So blurred scratch is this one which is behind this dead text. Okay, so you can change this color to something else. So click on the color and choose any color you want, like green, so that would turn into the green. Isn't that great? So now let's play it. So this is how it looks. All right, now let's try the next one. And this is how it looks. Don't forget to comment. So you can just customize it to anything you want, so don't forget to comment. You can again have all these options as I have shown you, but in this case I have given the option to change the lines as well. So you can adjust the line position, so you can adjust this bottom line or this top line above the text to anywhere you like. All right, so now let's play it. Okay, and now let's see the next one. This is the next one. Don't forget to comment, and then we have one more, and that is don't forget to subscribe. So let's play it. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, so this is how it looks. First one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this was the first one. Alright, so all of these are just amazing presets. You can download them, use it, customize it in any way, but don't forget to leave the review and please like the video. The link of downloading is from the description. It is free for limited time. Go ahead, download it, and don't forget to leave the review on my website. Please do leave the reviews. And if you want to learn how to add cool seamless transitions on your videos, make sure you check out this video right now on your screen, or the link is in the description section below. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you.